Hi, I'm Stanley, and welcome to the Tulip Experience Center. Today, I'll be showing how AI agents and automations, in this case, working with a Boston Dynamics Spot robot, can increase visibility on the shop floor. Spot is powered by Tulip automations, which continuously monitor machine state. When a machine is idle outside of its expected schedule, then the automation triggers an AI agent with secure access to Spot as a tool to autonomously dispatch missions to the machine. Spot then performs several inspections around the machine, such as taking thermal images of key machine components, determining chip bin overflow, and measuring coolant levels. Tulip's AI agent then processes the data using a connector to a vision language model, generating detailed inspection summaries for each area inspected. The AI agent then analyzes the results and generates a comprehensive inspection report. That inspection report is then sent to the appropriate manager. The report gives them a clear, data-backed view of the machine status without requiring any manual intervention. This is a powerful example of how Tulip AI agents and automations can leverage real-time data and physical robotics to improve visibility on your shop floor.